So for breakfast today, I have some strawberries and a little fairy cake from M&S. It was the last one. Kind of looks a little sad actually. Half of the frosting is off. But yeah, that's my breakfast. I'm not super hungry actually, but I have a really long day today with work and just like plans in the evening, and I just know that I need to like start off with some food or else I'm just gonna be really tired throughout the day. I'm just doing some work right now and I'm eating some mango strips. They are so good. I finished the pack but they're just really yummy and they're easy to like snack on. But that was the pack. I just finished it half today and half yesterday. It's really yummy. So that was my little snack while I'm working in bed. I'm on my way to run some errands. I've got my water and changed outfits out of my pajamas into actual clothing now. And I just have a few things that I need to pick up. This is just my lunch break, so I'm going to try and do it as quickly as possible.
I guess that's good.
Have this super delicious pasta salad and it's gonna be so yummy. I'm so excited. This is one of my favorite meals. I just love tuna, like in any form, like sushi, canned tuna, tuna steak, my favorite. I am now back to work and I've moved locations and I'm just having some cherries. They are really yummy. It is cherry season, so it makes sense, but I'm gonna devour these and get as much work done as possible because I want to be done.